Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying essentials. Check Chrome OS version and make sure you have at least 5% free storage so updates install. Sign in with your Google account to sync bookmarks, extensions, and passwords. This saves time later. Connect to Wi-Fi and plug the charger in. Battery updates can interrupt setup. If you prefer a desktop feel, attach a USB mouse and keyboard now. Once done, open the launcher and pin the apps you use most, because quick access speeds your workflow. Next, install the apps that let your Chromebook act like a laptop. Enable Linux Beta for dev tools and install Android apps from the Play Store for productivity. Configure display scale and keyboard shortcuts so text and keys behave like a laptop. Change touchpad gestures if you use multi-finger swipes. Organize files in Google Drive, create folders, and enable offline access for critical docs. Once configured, set app windows to split or maximize. This replicates a multitasking laptop workflow effectively. Finish by setting backups. Keep Google Drive sync on and add a local backup with USB or Linux rsync so you never lose files. Tweak power settings, decide what the lid does, set sleep timers, and enable battery saver to prolong runtime. Test peripherals, Bluetooth, and webcam to confirm everything works. If you run into problems, restart first. If the issue continues, power wash to reset settings, and only then use the Chrome OS recovery image. That single troubleshooting step usually restores functionality without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.